Season 4 by Basketballista. First 5 on NU. First 5 on Bushido.
5 lang naman sila. Si Milia, Patak, Lakman,
Okay.
Tignano, 2 Tignano. Ayun, may pang-anin.
Baru nga, Brad. Jump ball. First position ng Kalyu. Salas. Waktu Kalatuche. Nice defense on Lucio. Now Kalatuche. Too strong. It's Bushido ball.
Di na lang sinot ni Kalachuche. Binasag mo.
Now Pinano. Guarded by 2. Now Pinano again. Too strong. Rebound on Samoy. Now Samoy dive. Looking for Salas. First basket of Salas. Yes on Salas.
Anigo.
2-0. Pinano. Too strong again by Pinano. Rebound on NU. Now Kalatuche. The signature shot. Block! What a block coming from Bushido. 2-0.
Patak. 19 patak.
It's a 2-0 on Bushido. Indres Kalatuche. Cardinal Pinano. Yes on Kalatuche. 4-0. Now Ismelia. Nice pass outside. Pinano. Ismelia again. In and out. Rebound on NU. It's NU ball, NU. 8 minutes and 23 seconds. Now Kalatuche. Nice move by Kalatuche. Yes, it's 6-0. 6-0 run against NU. Pinano. Nice up, corner, yes, what a move, now 6-2. 4-point lead on NU. Now Kalatuche. 100 short. Now Samoy. Samoy goes to coast on Samoy. In and out. Now Patan. Now Pinano. Nice move, foul. Foul on Indres. First on Indres, first team foul against NU. 6 against 2. Now 6-3. 3-point lead on NU. Salas, favorite shot, short. Rebound on Pinano. Now Pinano is still on Kalatuche, harassment of foul.
Sorry.
Foul on Kalatuche. First on Kalatuche. Second team foul on NU. It's 6 minutes and 51 seconds. Yo, it's technical foul on Peralta. Skirting. Technical free throw by Bushido. It's 6 minutes and 44 seconds. 14 to shoot. Now Ismelia.
Bata.
Too strong. Is Pinalo again. Pinalo. Big. Good ball, good ball. Stepping on the line. Stepping on the line from outside. 6 minutes and 24. It's only 3-point lead on LU. Now Kalatuche. 40 to shoot. Peralta. Whoa! Peralta. Now a 5-point lead on LU. Pinalo. Called by Samoy. Same spot. Favorite shot. Too strong. Rebound on Peralta. Now Kalatuche. Now Salas. Nice down pass to Samoy. 40 to shoot. Eugenio, 10. Short on Kalatuche.
Patak.
Now Patap. Pinano. 3-point shot. Oh, in and out on Pinano. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Kalatuche to Eugenio. Andres, drive. Too strong by Andres. Ismelia. Now 3-2, top, intercepted again by Kalatuche. Now Kalatuche, drive, stop up, Kalatuche, signal shot, Andres Eugenio. Foul! Foul on number 3 on Pinano.
Abu Dhabi na po yun.
Ikaw? Harap ka na kita.
Di mo pa magbalik na ka mo. Pata pagkabaw na kumain.
5 minutes. 8-3 our score. 5-point lead on LU. Short. It's Bushido ball, Bushido. Inbounding Ismelia. Now Pinano. To Pinano. Nice take. Easy take. Back to Pinano. Card by Kalatuche. Pinano drive. Pinano goes to go short. Rebound by Andres. To Kalatuche. It's 3-2. Kalatuche. Paper shot. Bang! Signature shot of Kalatuche. Now 11 leads. 7-point lead now. 8-point lead on LU. Wow. Who's called it? Foul on number 21 on Bushido. Person is Milia. 4 minutes. Salas. Nice bait. In and out by Salas now, Patak. 3-2, Patak drive, Patak, nice pass outside to Pinano. Time out on NU. It's 11-5. 6-point lead on NU. This time out is brought to you by Basketballista, Color Sports, and San Miguel Corporation.
Wala kasi apatan.
Back to the ball game, back to the ball game. Only 6-point lead on Bushido and NU.
Eh, babo. Boy Scout ah.
Nakatakbo ka na loob, di pa? Tapos na?
Now Kalatuche to Salas. Salas.
Imagine kung wala pa ako 13.
Samoy, what a move from Samoy. Now 13-5, 8-point lead on NU. Pinano. Oh, Pinano, 7-13. Back to 6-point lead on NU. Kalatuche again. Kalatuche goes foul. Foul again on number 21 on Ismelia.
Second.
Second on Ismelia. Second team foul against Bushido. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Calatuche short. Calatuche, there is signature shot again by Calatuche. Now 15-7. 8-point lead again by NU. Now Ismelia. Pata. Attempt short. Rebound on Samoy. Looking for Salas. Now Salas to Calatuche. Salas, struggling violation on Salas. It's 2 minutes and 30. All by 8-point lead on NU. Pinalo. Nice pass. Melia escape. Pinalo for 3. Bang! Bang! On Pinalo. Now 15-10. It's 5-point lead on NU. Samoy. Salas. Oh! In and out by Salas. Rebound on Pinalo. Pass is still on Salas. Salas to Peralta. Drive. Peralta. Yes, on Peralta. 17-10. Now 7-point lead on NU. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Pinano. Short. Rebound by Ismelia. It's same ball. 14 to shoot. Patak. Wow! Alam mo ba yung patak coming from Ismelia? 17-12. Back to 5-point lead on NU. Calatuche. Signature shot again. Bang! Bang! On Calatuche. 19-12. It's 7-point lead NU.
3 points yan.
Whoa! What again? The high flight play. Now 14. 19. 1 minute. Block by Patak. 58 seconds. 14 to shoot. Only 5-point lead on Bushido on NU. Calatuche. Samoy. Samoy. 21-14. 7-point lead on NU. 40 seconds. Pinalo. Coast to coast. Up. Rebound on Samoy. Foul. Foul on Patak. 13 foul on Bushido. First on Patak. 35 seconds. Now Calatuche guarded by Pinano. Calatuche guarded by 2. Calatuche up. Foul. Foul on number 22 on Nuquillo. Warning for penalty on Bushido. First on Nuquillo. 20 seconds. Kick ball. 17 seconds. 17. Pinano. 15. Yes, on Salas is 23-14. Pinano. Samoy. It's 23-14 our score. Still NU by 9. Second quarter ready tayo. Second quarter. Bushido ball, it's Bushido. Bushido. White ball.
Third quarter.
Our score, it's 23 against 14. By NU. Bounding Dance. Now Ismelia. Dance. 3-point shot attempt. Short by Dance. In and out. Try bound. Foul. Foul on number 9. 19. On 19. First team foul on NU. First on Alba. 9 minutes and 38 seconds. Second quarter. He throws out by Tour. Out to zero out to by Tour. Running ball is Melia. Tour. Try. Foul. Foul again on number 19 on Alba. Second on Alba. Second team foul, NU. Short again on Tour. It's 9 minutes and 10. Back to back to short by Tour now. Number 32. Galang. Too strong. Rebound on to Gale. Pinaconcha. Tour. Now still again on NU. Sambilay. Pass to Galang. Galang. Looking for Alba. Alba. Too strong by Alba. Tour. 1-1 by Galang. In and out again by Tour. Galang rebound. Now Galang. Short. Baseball pass by Tour. Tour. Oh! Turnover again on Bushido. 8 minutes. 23-14. Still 9-point lead on NU. Now Galang. Air ball. Rebound by Ismelia. Now Tour. Back to Ismelia. Looking for Turalde. Tour again. Tour. 10 to shoot. 10. Turalde. Side step. Nice pass. Tour. Oh! Turnover again on Bushido. It's 7 minutes and 40 seconds. 23 against 14. Alba. Foul. Foul on number 27 on Tour. First on Tour. First team foul on Bushido. 2 free throw shots coming from Alba. It's 7 minutes and 24. All by NU. In and out. Rebound by Tour. Tour. Now Turalde. Looking for Dance. Dance to Tour again. Tour blocked by Pinitante. Now Galang. Galang now looking for Pinitante. Lepanchado. Pinitante. Now 25 to 14. 11-point lead back to NU. Villanocha. It's NU ball again. NU. 6 minutes and 43 seconds. Now Galang. Looking for Sambilay. Galang. Too strong. Top. Nice move. Whoa! Now 27 to 14. Turalde. Dance. Too strong by Dance. Tour. Foul. Foul. Foul again on Alba.
Alba third.
Third personal foul on Alba. Third on NU. Still not converted by Tour. 6 minutes. Zero to 2 by Tour. Sumalde.
Yeah.
It's Bushido ball. Bushido. 5 minutes and 48 seconds. 27 against 240. Now dance. Ismelia. Drive. It's again back-to-back turnover of both teams. Now 5 minutes and 30. 27 against 40. All by NU. Now Galang. Guarded by Villanocha. Nice move by Galang. Galang. Foul. Foul on number 12 on Villanocha. Second team foul on Busido. First on Villanocha. Nice fake by Smale. Wow, too strong. Rebound on Ismelia. 5 minutes. Now to Rale. Turalde drive, Turalde escape, Turalde bang! Nice slow motion shot by Turalde. 16-27. Back to 11-point lead. On and you, Galang. Guarded by Pinocha. Alba. So you move by Alba. Tap. Sumalde, tap. Now Turalde. It's Turalde time. Turalde, guarded by Galang. Turalde, foul. Oh, offensive foul on Turalde. Time out. On and you. First personal foul on Turalde. Third against Bushido. It's 4 minutes and 23 seconds. All by NU. 27 against 16. And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's Bushido versus NU or UAAP Season 4. Now Galang. Sumalde, short, top. Oh! Right time in our place. But Pinitrante, 27-16. 29-16. Down, Alba. Alba move, Alba to strong top. It's Alba again, Alba. Whoa, Alba is 31-16. 15-point lead on NU. Villanocha. Black. Oh, Galang. It's Galang. 9. Galang time. Galang. Too strong by Galang. Rebound on Ismelia. Now Turalde foul. Oh! Offensive foul again on Turalde. Foul on Turalde. As referee decision. Now, warning for penalty on Bushido. Pinitrante. Too strong by Pinitrante. Top. Ismelia. Nice ball back. Now Turalde, 1-1. Turalde escape. Turalde bang. On the veteran, 31-18. Now Alba. Back to Galang. Sambilay. Short. Rebound again on Ismelia. 2 minutes and 52. Villanocha. Whoa! 20 against 31. It's 11-point lead on NU. Galang. Nice move. Sidestep by Galang. Foul. Foul on number 27 on Tour. Penalty. Person Tour. Now Bushido and penalty. Short. Ow! In and out again by Galang. Now Turalde, guarded by Alba. Turalde again, Turalde looking for the Tour. Now dance. Ismelia. Pass, steal. Turalde, fake, Turalde. Too strong by Turalde again. Yes, on Turalde. 22-31. 9-point lead on NU. Alba, boom, Alba. Now Alba, 2 minutes. Alba. Sumale. Short. Tapay to Dance. Now Dance running. Looking for Ismelia. Aging by Dance. Then Super Chat. Yes, Alba. 24-31. Now 7-point lead on NU. Alba. 14 to shoot. Galang, side set. Looking to Penrante. 8-2 strong again on Buston NU. 1 minute and 25. Pinanocha. Turralde, drive. Nice pass, Pinanocha. 1 minute and 10. Galang. Oh by Galang. He's 33 to 34. Back to 9-point lead on NU. 1 minute. Foul. Foul on number 4 on Galang. Warning for penalty on NU. First on Galang. 53 seconds. Turralde. The veteran Turralde. 40 seconds. Galang. Nice make. 10 to shoot. 10. Galang. Too strong. It's now Turralde. 1-1 by Alba. Turralde now. Turralde, drive. Turralde, stop up. Block. Back in Turralde. Now 10 seconds. Short by Alba. 5 seconds. Move. Back. 2 back.
Galang.
Short. Basket count on NU. Now 35 to 26. 9-point lead on NU. This third quarter is brought to you by Color Sports, Basketballista, and San Miguel Corporation. Kuha muna tayo.
Bawas muna tayo, bawas.
Message ko na sa'yo kung sino yung nagbayad, ha?
Basta lang sa ilagay mo doon, message mo.
Bukas ulit kasi bako lang.
Basta may record tayo.
Sampo na kami.
Ha? Para di mawala yung record natin, lista mo natin ng babayad. At magkano ha?
Ako silang kita ko. Tapos sa bayad lang sa sinta pa ko ng duwa. Si Turalde may bayad na sa kasiya. Dito na nagibayad ni Bia. Ako, wapa dyo kabayad. Mao na karong 50 o 50 ang patak.
Ikaw ano? Wala mo sabihin.
Kaya lagi doon sakit. Lagi daw nasakit.
Binigyan na daw ni Kan.
Sabi ko nga sa kanya. Sabi niya hindi. Walang binayad.
Si Turalde daw nagbigay. Sila, 5 sila. Ng grupo ni Pinano. Nag-hold na siya sila bayad.
Wala nga. Si Villanot siya.
Hindi, bayad siya sa sinta.
Pero, lagat.
Hindi, sa sinta pag-unan niyang pag-unan.
Wala yung sinabi ko ni Bea, tinanong nga si Bea, sabi ko sino.
Unang laro ko, nagbigay na ako sandan sa kanya. Kaya yung mga naglaro, yung second game, mabayad.
Ako,
Sir, message mo si Sir. Message mo si Bea, sir. Kasi,
Yung, ito, bayaw niya, yung babae kapatid ni Bea.
asan?
Oh, yung kapatid ni Bea.
Sir, kasi si Bea, sir, nimi-message ko, tinatanong ko yung payment niya. Kasi sabi daw niya, tapos na sila. Sabi daw, wala pa daw nagbayad. Nabasa naman yung message niya, pero sabi yung message niya. May tanong ako kung sino nagbayad. Kasi di ba last game, sabi nga niyo, nagbayad na kayo, di ba?
may mga player na
Sabi ko, hindi naman lalaro itong mga to.
Oo, ako sir, di naman ko hiningi lahat. Di ba, alam mo, ang haba paglaro niyo. Kaso lang sir, 2 game na kayo nagbigay.
Nagbigay.
Oo, di ba, last game wala.
Sige, sige.
Kahit
Tinatanong ko nga para sigurado. Yung nagbigay na lahat eh, magkano na binigay niya? Ang binigay pala sa akin. Ang binigay pala sa akin, 500 pala.
Unahin ng pasensya.
Yeah, kaya nga sir eh, alam mo naman tayo na hindi kayo,
Kakausapin ko sa forum.
kailangan ko sir kasi bibigay ko sa referee.
Nakoy sa Kaubandra. Kunya, wala yun. Form ka din.
Tapos 5 siya. Okay, okay.
ito, 100.
Ball game tayo, ball game.
Sir, next game tayo. Before tayo mag-end, so walang ibibigay, i-default ko kayo. Marami pa kayong laro sir, sayang sir.
It's Bushido ball, Bushido. Third quarter.
Ilan kayo? Ilan kayo?
Plus.
Tabla.
Bakit?
Wala tayong plus, walang plus tayo.
Bushido ball, Bushido. White ball, white ball. It's a white ball, white. Defense on and you.
Third na tayo.
Defense on and you. Inbounding Turalde.
Unicardo.
Now Ricardo, 1-1 by Samoy. Turnover again on Bushido. It's 35-26, only 9-point lead on LU. Now Kalatuche. Signature shot, short, top. Down Ricardo. Ricardo, turnover again on Bushido. 35-26. Now Galang. Galang for 3. In and out, top. Samoy. Too strong against Samoy. Indres. Top. Indres again. Samoy. Take the shoot. Kalachutse. Signature shot. In and out again. Samoy again. Rebound. Samoy. Back to Indres. Yes. On Indres. Now 37 against 26. Tabak. Short. Now Galang. It's Galang time. Galang. Carried by Pintano. Kalatuche. Salas. Nice fake. Salas. Open jump. Salas. Too strong. Rebound on Pintano. Now Gapak. Patak. Right. Patak. Steal by Samoy. Samoy to Kalatuche. 3 on 4. 4 on 1. Nice unselfish pass. Galang to Salas. 39 against 26. Pinano. Still again on Galang. It's 3 on 2. Galang to Kilanche. Galang wab. Galang move. In and out. Galang again. Galang. Salas. Short. Top. Pinano. To Turalde. The veteran. 1-1. Turalde. Drive. Turalde. 28-39. 11-point lead on LU. Samoy, side step, crossover now. Kalatuche. Steal on. Steal again on Samoy. Samoy, unselfish pass to Kalatuche. Time out on Bushido. It's 41 against the 28. All by LU. This timeout is brought to you by Color Sports.
5 minutes.
Basketballista and Color Sports. Abu Dhabi.
Unicardo.
Monicardo. Looking for Turalde. Nice steal. Almost steal by Calatuche. 14 to shoot.
Tawid mo yun. Mas mabuti lang si Monica.
Pinano. Pinano drive. Pinano open jump. Oh! Pinano! It's 13 to 41. 11 din na LU. Ang galang. Salas. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh! Galang. Turalde. Skate. The veteran Turalde. It's 32 to 44. Only 12 points in LU. Galang. Looking for Galang to check. Signature shot. Short. Rebound on Pinano. Pinano. Baseball pass. Steal by Galang. Now, all alone by Pinano. It's 34 to 44. 10 point lead on LU. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Nice Samoy. It's Bushido ball. Bushido. 6 minutes and 20. Now, Pinano. Turalde. Side step. It's traveling violation on Turalde. 6 minutes, 6 minutes.
Delaying the game.
Now, Galang. Nice steal, almost steal. Bayam ni Carpio. Calatuche. Wow! Alam mo ba Calatuche? Too strong. Tap by Samoy. Galang. 14 set shot clock. Foul. Out. 3-second violation on the dress. It's 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Only 10 point lead on Mishilo. On LU. Now, Monicapio. Now, Turalde. 36 to 44. All by Turalde. 8 point lead on LU. 5 minutes.
Time out.
Bang! Time out! On LU. It's 46 against 36. All against LU.
Pwede tayo mag-sub. Pwede na tayo mag-sub, sir. Pwede na mag-sub.
Tapos lang time out ng
Pwede na tayo mag-sub.
It's 4 minutes and 56. Pinano. It's troubling violation. Troubling. On Pinano. Galang. Yes, on Galang. 48 to 36. Now 12 point lead back to LU. Noquillo. 5-second violation on again on LU. It's 48 to 36. Still 12 point lead on LU. Galang. Calatuche, signature shot. Calatuche, short up. Pinano. Calibay Salas. Pinano, paso, Turalde. Tap. Samoy. To Calatuche. It's 3-2. Calatuche is 1-1. Pick. Calatuche looking for. Still on top. Now Pinano. To Turalde back. Basket count and 1 on Turalde. Foul on Samoy. First on Samoy. First against LU. Back to 10 point lead on LU. 48 against 38. Rebound on Ligayo. Oh! In and out. Now, Galang. Galang Chuche, stop up, looking for Galang, Galang. Nice pass to Penetrante. Oh! Nice defense. Nice block. Turralde. 1-1 by Samoy. Turralde, the veteran again. Sidestep the veteran. Yes, on the veteran. Turralde. 48-40. Galang. Top. Samoy. Block again by Tapak. 72 Sundep. Sabrep. 14 to shoot. Technical foul on Bushido for delay the game. It's technical free throw on Kalachuche. Now 49-40. 9-point lead on LU. Salas to Galang, Galang back to Salas. Salas to Kalachuche. 10 to shoot. 5. Foul. Second team foul on Bushido. Second personal foul on Patak.
Foul pa rin kahit nanito.
Samoy. Too strong by Samoy. Samoy ang rebound. Galang. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Galang. Foul.
52, 49, liganing 49, di ba?
Foul on Galang. Second team foul on NU.
Galang second.
Second on Galang. Two free throw shots on Cleo. First basket shot now 41 to 52, 2 minutes. All by NU. Now 42-52, back to 10-point lead on NU. Now Galang. Guarded by Makilio. Salas. Now back to Kalatuche. 1-1. Kalatuche, favorite shot, too strong. Rebound on Samoy. It's last stats on Bushido. 14 na set lang, pangal 14. One minute and 29 seconds. Kalatuche. Long three. Bang! It's long two. Coming from Kalatuche. 24 against the 42. Back to 12-point lead of NU. Now Tapak.
Pasa, tao.
Patak to now. Black on. Galang, boo, Galang, pow! Foul on Patak. Third on Patak. Second team foul on Bushido. Nice shot by Galang. It's 55 to 42. Basket sa Pito Sotere. Basket sa Pito Shoot.
Wala pa, sir. Wala pa.
Technical, sir, oh.
55 seconds. Substitution. Stop.
Galang 1.
55 seconds. In and out.
Manicardo.
Foul.
Penetrante.
Foul on Pinitrante.
First.
First on Pinitrante, third on NU. Two free throw shot for Manicarpio. It's 43 seconds. (43 to 56). All 13-point lead on NU. Now, Kalatuche. Too strong. Rebound on Bushido. Nunquillo all alone. Yes, now 45 to 56, 20 seconds. 15.
Big ball.
11 seconds, 11 seconds. (11 seconds. Salas to Kalatuche. 5 seconds. Yes, all back. Our score now is 56-47. It's 9-point lead against NU. Fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter. And this fourth quarter is brought to you by Color Sports, Red Horse, Strong Beer, and Basketballista. Last quarter, last quarter.
Lakas ng tito.
It's NU ball, NU.
Very brilliant.
NU ball, NU. Kalatuche. Alay, steal of Pinano. 2-on-1, 3-on-1, kick ball. Nice defense on Kalatuche. 24 sets on clock, 24. Nice, Melia. Rebound address. It's NU. Kalatuche. Tingali by Pinlocha. Yes. 49 to 56. 7-point lead on NU. Wow.
Villanocha. Second.
Second on Pinlocha.
First team.
Galang.
Sambi.
10 to shoot.
Andre.
Black. Same ball. 5 to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. On Galang.
Shot!
Short. Short again. Back. It's NU ball. NU. 8 minutes. Kalatuche. Yes. 58-49.
Kan sa bag mo rin kasi.
Galang. Kalatuche. Nice move. Foul. Foul on Pinano, number 3. Second team foul on Bushido. Second personal foul on Pinano.
Shoot!
7 minutes and 38 seconds. Only 9-point lead on NU. Pinano. Short. Foul. Foul again on number 3 on Pinano.
Bago.
Pinano third.
Pinano third. Number 3. Galang.
Yes.
Now 6 minutes and 50 seconds. 61-49. It's same ball. 14 to shoot.
Rep.
Ismila 10 to shoot.
Aywa.
Too strong. Rebound again by Alba. And pass Galatuche! It's 63-49. All by Edu. Galang. Time out on Lucido. It's 65. Against the 49. All by Edu. This timeout is brought to you by Color Sports, Red Bull, and we'll quick with that. 6 minutes and 17 seconds. This is just our first game for our UAAP Season 4 by Basketballista. Balen Torralde. Now Torralde. Nokilio pick. Short. Now Calatuche. All alone. Calatuche. Oh! Oh! Calatuche! It's 67-49. Wow!
Patak.
Foul on number 14 on Calatuche. First team foul on NU. Second personal foul on Calatuche. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Nice move. Short. It's Samoy. Steal by Nunquillo. 3-on-1. Side step. Pass. Stepping on the line. We're stepping on the line. 5 minutes and 50.
Goal line.
Now Sambilay. Nice break. It's traveling violation on the new. 4 minutes and 57 seconds. Pinano. Back to Nunquillo. Turralde. Wow, the veteran Turralde. 51-67. 4 minutes and 40. Calatuche to Alba. Move by Alba. Yes on Alba. Now Pinano. Steal again ang Calatuche. Substitution. NU ball, NU. Calatuche, Samoy. Side step, block. May patak. Block again, may patak. Back to back siya, block siya, may patak. It's Bushido ball, Bushido. 4 minutes. Turralde. Now Turralde, that block. Same ball. It's 3 minutes and 45 seconds, 14 to shoot. Dance, too strong. Now Calatuche, Favorite shot, Caluche, side step, Caluche. 1-1 by Pinay, Caluche escape, short. Rebound on Dens, Dens. Dens to Pinanocha. Blocked by Samoy. It's 3 minutes 15. Patak. Pick. Steal. 3 minutes. Foul. Foul on Dens. 13 foul on Busido. Second personal foul against Dens. And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista, Calatuche. Top. Now to Ralde. 2 minutes and 40. Foul. Timeout on LU.
And you second.
Second first team foul on LU.
Sambila.
2 free throw shot. 2 free throw shot.
Sambilay.
Foul on Sambilay.
Kaya niya, mag-start tabi for 9. Yung TV sinasabi ni
Yes! Now 71 to 51. It's 20-point lead on LU. Black foul. Foul on Pinitante. 13 foul on LU.
20 seconds.
Second personal foul on Pinitante. Two minutes and 13 seconds. Our next game will be UE versus University of Iloilo. 2 minutes. Nice defense on Bushido. Turalde. Foul.
Offensive.
Offensive foul on Turalde. Warning for penalty on Bushido.
Umilit na.
Pinitante. Turalda. Air ball. Patak. 1 minute and 41 seconds. Nice move by Patak. Cardi by Alba. To Ismelia. 14 to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Ismelia. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Foul. Foul on number 10 on Turalde. Penalty there, penalty. Fourth personal foul on Turalde. Warning on Turalde.
Shut up!
1 minute and 17 seconds. Top, 40% shot clock. Peralta. Short. Turalde. Ismelia, same spot. Too strong. Rebound on Dens. Dens, 1 minute. Too strong again by Ismelia. Now Sambilay. Looking for Alba. Pinitante, 45 seconds. 14 to shoot. Peralta, short, top. Pinitante again. Short. Dapat Sambilay. Regalia, Ismelia. It's troubling violation. 30 seconds. All by LU. 20. 15 seconds. Too strong. Smelia. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Smelia. And our game, our winner and you. It's 71.